Welcome to a raw chicken experiment fall special. We'll be eating raw chicken by the fire. And guess what? Soon I'm gonna cook the raw chicken in the fire to make cooked chicken. Sorry, raw chicken, you're gonna get cooked soon. Oh, we're gonna have raw chicken appetizer, raw chicken perfect appetizer. Then we're gonna make cooked chicken wings and cooked steak. There's no dogma here. I freaking hate this. Or maybe hate is a little bit strong of a word. All these super dogmatic motherfuckers. But I get it. The truth is the truth. If you found the truth, why go against the truth? But is raw chicken, raw meat the truth? I'm not sold to it yet. But raw chicken, raw meat, is it as bad as people think? Is it evil? Does it actually cause harm in human beings? I don't know about that. Any food can cause harm if the food is toxic. If the raw chicken toxic, my tummy will go ouchie ow. Can fire repel the toxins? Maybe, but I have that. I never had. It's kinda weird. I have never had food poisoning from eating raw meats. And obviously I've been eating plenty before even starting this. Eating sushi, eating oysters. I've had beef tartare many times in restaurants. I have eaten barely cooked steaks, like only seared from the top a little bit, or basically raw steaks for years. And I have never gotten food poisoning from them. But I have gotten food poisoning from some other shit. But I haven't gotten food poisoning in years. But even during this experiment, only times I had diarrhea was from the cooked pork. And I cooked that shit well. So yeah. We searching for the truth, but we ain't have no dogma over here. That's what's up. Look at that. Nice fall vibes. Raw chicken, perfect summer food. Also perfect fall food. See you in the next one.